Ever wanted a Windows 11 install faster than your coffee break? Let's whip up a bootable USB in under 5 minutes with Rufus. Welcome to the step-by-step guide on creating a Windows 11 bootable USB drive using Rufus. Whether you are installing Windows 11 for the first time or repairing an existing setup, you will be up and running in no time. We will cover downloading Rufus, grabbing the official Windows 11 ISO, configuring Rufus, and writing the bootable media. Now go to your browser and in the search bar type windows11.iso and hit enter. Then you will see a search results like this. Choose the first one, Windows 11 download, that's Microsoft official page. Open the site and you will see a dialog box like this. Now choose the Windows 11 disk image you want to download. From here, after choosing your ISO image, click confirm. Select your product language and again click confirm. Now click 64-bit download and your download will start automatically. Now wait till your download is completed. It may take a few minutes. After the download is completed, we will go to the next step, and that is downloading Rufus. To do that, go to your browser and in search bar type Rufus. Choose the first site, that is Rufus official website, rufus.ie. Go and download the latest version of Rufus. After downloading Rufus, go to your download folder and open Rufus. Now plug your USB into your PC. After plugging your USB, Rufus automatically with your USB device. After doing that, select the disk image that we downloaded before, that is Windows 11 ISO image. After selecting the image, choose your partition scheme. Here you have to know what partition scheme you have. It may be GPT or MBR. To know your partition scheme, go to your search bar and type create and format hard disk partitions and open it. Now go to your disk options, that is properties, and in properties click volume. You will see your partition scheme there. Now make sure the partition scheme from your Rufus and your computer are the same. For example, my partition scheme on my computer is GPT, so that I choose partition scheme on Rufus also GPT. After doing that, click start. Here it will ask you to customize your Windows installation. Click OK without any customization. Again, click OK. Now hang tight while Rufus works its magic. This step usually takes a few minutes. Just make sure you don't remove the USB drive or shut down your computer. Once it says ready and green, you are good to go. And there you have it. Your USB drive is now loaded with Windows 11 and ready for installation. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss another tech walkthrough. For questions or run into an issue, drop a comment below. I would everyone and I will help you out. For more deep dive guides, check out the playlist in the description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.